In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MidJourney to Discord. We'll walk through this from a clean start in your browser so it's easy to follow. By the end, your MidJourney account will be linked to your Discord, which is necessary to generate images using MidJourney's Discord-based bot. Make sure you have access to both accounts in your browser and you know which Discord account you want to connect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type MidJourney and press Enter. On the results page, look for the official MidJourney website. It should be on the midjourney.com domain. If you see ads or lookalike sites, skip those and choose the official result to keep your account safe. Once the MidJourney site loads, sign in if prompted. When you're on the main page, look toward the lower left corner. You'll see your profile area. Right beside your profile, there's a small three-dot icon. Click that to open a quick menu. From this menu, select Account Settings. This takes you to your profile settings page, where you can manage connections and preferences. Inside Account Settings, find the option labeled Connect Discord. This is the gateway that links your MidJourney account to your Discord identity so the bot knows who you are. Click Connect Discord. A new window or tab will open, asking you to authorize the connection through Discord. If nothing appears, check your browser's pop-up blocker or any privacy extensions and allow the pop-up for this site. Then try again. In the Discord authorization window, make sure you're signed into the correct Discord account. If you need to switch accounts, log out in that window and sign in with the one you plan to use. Review the permissions shown, then click Authorize. This simply lets MidJourney verify your Discord user so it can associate your prompts and subscription correctly. After authorizing, you'll be brought back to MidJourney's settings. You should now see confirmation that your Discord is connected. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh the page. If you were already connected, you may see a connected status from the start. In that case, you're all set. If you ever need to change accounts, you can disconnect here and reconnect, but make sure you're signed into the right Discord first to avoid linking the wrong profile. That's it. You just went from Google to the official site, opened the profile menu, entered account settings, clicked Connect Discord, and authorized the link. With your accounts connected, you can now use MidJourney through Discord smoothly.